Wakey, wakey, it's time to get out of bed.
Getting dressed.
Yeah. Meeting under Pringle.
Getting breakfast. School bus arrived. Having lunch. It's playtime.
FEC classes
Are always full of fun. As well as CCA. Dinner time.
now.
We're gonna do our homework. It's playtime again.
Now, let's watch movie. I need to take shower.
And pack.
It's time to go to bed. Good night.
I can see lots of different animal characters as well. You all look fantastic. Now, I think we have a slight technical from the sound still. We are here from Ferguson. We're ready. I'm ready. Working hard. We're a team like chocolate brownies and ice cream. We're ready. I'm ready. And Ferguson, we're ready. I'm ready. Let's give us some encouragement. Milepost 3 winner, Joe in year 6.
But the world outside made Otto feel very small. Nobody seemed to notice him. Reina studied the giant's handsome, cruel face his glowing mechanical eyes. For a terrible moment, she could understand how even a goddess. Follow me, I'll show you. First, we're going to the mouth.
I pop of the head.
And I have teeth and a tongue. They help me too. After staying in the mouth for a while, I come to a long tube.
Whoa! I'm the long tube.
And my name is esophagus. I have that food from the mouth to the stomach. Through the long tube, I come to a big bag. Hi, I'm stomach, the big bag that we go into. I use have some pencil to write down and make them go smaller. After a few miles to the stomach, I come to the heart. It makes me uncomfortable.
Hey everyone, I am that small and long tube. They call me small intestine.
Stop! Please stay here for a while. I'm pancreas. I'm lean. I'm all better. Before the food goes to the small intestine, we need to take some nutrients to the body. I am the main part of the body that digests food and absorbs nutrients. That's a long way. Oh, I can see a weather rope.
Hello everyone, I'm large intestine. I'm near the end of the digestive system.
Good morning all. We've got a couple of announcements. First of all, yearbook design winners. Students were asked to submit designs for the cover of the yearbook and received some fantastic efforts. I would like to congratulate the two that were selected in these designs, along with the names of the students. Will be on the front and back cover of the 2021 to 2022 yearbook. Congratulations to Annie in year 9 and to Melody in year 13. Both students were also awarded with 25 clan points for the respective clans. I think we should all give them a big round of applause for their efforts. Today's assembly has been organized by the PE department. Please welcome Tommy and Eric onto the stage. Thank you.
So, why was NIMS' challenge so spectacular? NIMS came from a very poor family. Being from two different Nepalese castes, his parents' marriage was frowned upon, and they were cut off financially and socially from their respective families.
Along the way, he climbed 5 mountains in only 12 days. He broke his previous Guinness World Record by climbing Mount Everest, Lotus, and Makalu within 2 days and 30 minutes. During this expedition, his fellow climbers and himself saved multiple climbers who have died on the mountains.
A feat such as this shows that anything is possible, and that even the most extreme dreams and ideas can be met. Along the Project Possible journey, NIMS spoke often of the impact we have on our planet and how our decisions can impact the Earth, our home. Making decisions that are better for our environment is important, especially for our future generations.
Anything you wish to do in life is possible. You are only limited by your imaginations.
Over the last month, we obviously did not have a sports day, so the department mixed it up for them, and we had our planned sports extravaganza month, which was brilliant. It was amazing to see how many of you were fully involved, you were working together, you were making sure that you were fighting for your plans the whole time. So we have our planned sports trophy here today to give to the winning clan, but we will obviously go through who got fourth, third, second, first, just to hold for things for a little bit. So well done results in fourth place. And in second place was Emma with
Hello, I'm Esther from Year 11 and I'm the head of Student Council. Today I have John, the Vice President, helping me film.
Hi.
We're going to be showing you a peek of what we do in our Student Council meetings, what we discuss, so come on in.
We had a meeting with Mr. Wood, which is the head of pastoral. We discussed about whether CCA time should be shortened and should it be student-led.
Alright, so now we're going to move on to the next topic. So it's about reducing the time of the CCA. So because apparently we think that a whole hour of CCA after school might be a bit too much for students. So we're wondering, is there any opinions from you guys? So we can bring it up to Mr. Roy.
I'd say 1 hour of CCA time is a good time, because if we reduce it to 45 minutes, then for some of my CCAs, we aren't able to get that much things done with just 45 minutes, let alone 1 hour. We can't get a lot of things done with 1 hour, let alone 45 minutes. So then if we reduce the time from 1 hour to 45 minutes, then I don't think a lot of CCAs can accomplish much. And currently, there's not much issues that are being caused by just 1 hour of CCA, so I think it's fine.
What if we move the CCA time to a later time, for example, moving CCA 1 blocks to CCA 2 blocks, because a lot of students are saying that they're tired or they need time to relax or time to just get away from school. What do you think about that?
Personally, for me, I can handle having CCA right after school, after a 15-minute break. But then I'm not very sure about having CCA, moving CCA 1 over to the time of CCA 2. So then that's something I don't really have a solid opinion that I can provide.
I don't really know. I think 1 hour is good for certain times because I enjoy student council being 1 hour long. If we shorten student council, which is one of my most favorite CCAs, if we shortened it, how can we get this much talk into this classroom? How can we change the school? I feel like if we have longer talks, we elaborate more. If we elaborate more, then we can get more opinions. So I think we should keep it as 1 hour, or maybe increase the time block between end of period 6 and start of CCA 1. Maybe instead of 15 minutes, have it as 30 minutes, but you're not allowed to go back to the dorm.
I think that we should push the CCA a bit earlier so that there will be more time for, because if you just have 1 hour between two CCAs, there will still be stress for the other CCAs. So why don't we just finish all of them and then you can have a big rest after?
So you're saying start CCAs right after 6th period ends, at 3:30 or 3:35.
Also just like now, 15-minute rest, and also I think that we can just cancel slot 2 CCA because it might be too much for senior students. Because there's some still year 7 or year 8 that aren't really, that just turned to seniors, so they aren't really adaptable towards this time schedule.
You're suggesting to reduce the time gap between period 6 and CCA 1. So it's basically there's no difference between adding an extra lesson to everyone.